Okay, so a review from yesterday. Now remember, for every 7 pencils, there are 4 markers. So one way we write our ratios is a fraction. So that's like putting it in a table, 7 over 4. So you have whatever you do to the top, you must do to the bottom. So what am I going to do to the top? Well, I'm going to times it by, let's say 2. Okay, times it by 2. 7 times 2 is 14. 4 times 2 is 8. Okay. Okay, I'm going to stretch my thing out. I'm going to stretch my thing out. And then I'm going to do 5. And I'm going to do 5. 7 times 5 is 35. 4 times 5 is 20. Okay? So you have 14 over 8, 35 over 20. Those are all equivalent ratios for 7 over 4.